When it comes to street food, Cameroon has a wide variety. Today I'll be sharing with you one of them, which is the mackerel fish scotch egg. These are eggs which have been wrapped in a fish paste, precisely the mackerel fish. It is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. For this recipe, I'll be using one mackerel fish. As you can see, it has already been gutted and properly washed. So to my fish, I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt and one small seasoning. Because mackerel on its own is already so tasty, that is all I'll be adding to my fish as seasoning before boiling. The rest of the ingredients like the garlic and ginger paste will be added subsequently after I have flaked my fish. While my fish is boiling, I'll move over to making my breadcrumbs. In front of you are slices of fresh bread, which I'll put in the oven for about 10 minutes till they are slightly darker in color and have hardened. So I have taken my bread slices out of the oven, and as you can see, they are slightly golden in color and have hardened. So what I'll do right now is I'm going to put them into my food processor and blitz till it's a coarse powder. Because I don't want it to be very smooth, I'm going to blitz for a while and then stop the food processor just so I can monitor the consistency. Before flaking my fish, I take the skin off by using the back of a knife. And it is important to do so while the fish is still hot, because when the fish cools off, the skin gets stuck to the flesh and you will be unable to peel it off. I prefer mashing my fish in a mortar rather than a food processor, just because a food processor will shred everything to a smooth paste, and that is not what I want. And also with a mortar, I can take out bones if there are. One after another, rub the eggs in flour. Flatten a tablespoonful of the fish paste mixture in the palm of your hand. Then place the flattened egg in the middle of the fish mixture. Gently press the mixture on the flattened egg, making sure that it spreads evenly. Don't hesitate adding the fish mixture if you need to fill any spaces which are not covered. Finally, coat generously with breadcrumbs.